This video will show you how to ingest custom CloudWatch logs in a single account using Splunk Data Manager. Now, before you begin, make sure you already have logs being sent to CloudWatch in a log group. With that done, we can move forward. In the Splunk console, find the Data Manager app. We're going to create a new input. We'll choose Amazon Web Services, and we're going to select Amazon CloudWatch Logs, Custom Logs. We have to create a few AWS resources, including roles and policies, but this is provided for you. So click View Role Policy. It auto-generates one for you, but we're going to have to substitute the account ID. So we're going to copy this statement, and we're going to paste it into a code editor. We're going to get this value here. We're going to search for it across the document, and what we're going to do is replace it with the actual AWS account ID. So let's go to our account. At the top right, you can find the account ID and copy it. We'll paste this value, and we're going to substitute it across the entire document. So we'll copy this statement, and back to our AWS console, we're going to go to IAM. The first thing that we're going to create is a policy. We'll replace this entire statement with the one that we copied from our code editor, and we'll choose Next. We'll provide it a name. This is given to you through the Data Manager UI. And with our policy created, the next thing we'll create is a role. Choose Custom Trust Policy. And back to the Data Manager UI, there's a link here that you'll click, and it will provide you the correct policy. So we'll copy this, and we'll paste it. We're going to look for the policy we created earlier and attach it. We'll use the one provided from the Data Manager UI, and we'll create our role. With that done, let's go back to Data Manager. We'll close this out and choose Next. Provide a name for your input. For us, we choose Splunk Lab CloudWatch. Provide your AWS account ID. It'll perform some validation on your account. And we're going to choose where our logs are going to go. I created an index earlier, so we'll choose this one. Select the region that's a good fit for your use case. And for us, it's going to be US East 1. So we'll select that. And you're going to want to provide a custom source type name. For our demo, we're simply going to use Splunk Lab. Now you're going to want to select the log groups to ingest from. So we'll click that button, and then we'll select. In our case, I have one already created, and we're only going to select this one for the demo. With that done, we can review our input. Looks like everything checked out, so we'll click Next. Now what Data Manager is going to do, it's going to take the values that you entered earlier, and it's going to prepare a CloudFormation template. This takes a few minutes, so we're going to pause and come back. All right, looks like our stack template is ready for download. So we'll click the button and we'll move forward. So we're going to choose to deploy this via the AWS console, and it provides you the steps. One of the key things is to grab the value of the stack name it provides you. You're going to have to copy and paste this exactly. So with that value copied, let's go to the AWS console now. Go to CloudFormation, and we're going to create a stack. We're going to upload that template that we downloaded earlier. And this is the most recent one. This is the one we want. We'll paste the value of the stack name. And we're going to have to add a tag. This too is provided in the UI. So we'll grab this value, paste it. Acknowledge resources will be created and choose Next. You can do a quick review here, And once you're ready, you can deploy your stack. Now deployments take a few moments, so we're going to pause the video. All right, looks like our stack created successfully, so we're going to finish up in Data Manager. We'll click Review and Finish. Data Manager performs a series of checks on the various inputs. This is a lab environment, so we're not concerned with the others, but we do see that our new input is successful. So let's see if we can search our logs in Splunk. Looks like we can. You are now able to search your custom CloudWatch logs using Splunk.